Jesse loves the grass. She used to do this all the time on our turf we got for her. Lay on her back and just roll around. And she smells something over there. She's just laying down, rolling around on the grass on her back. Kind of like Hudson does. You know, Hudson's really good about that. He's good at that. But get him, Jazz. Get him, Jazzy. Get her, Hudson. He's just smelling. Just smelling around. Here they come. There they are. Go get him, Jazz. Go get him. You need some water, Jazzy? Hudson, you share your water with Jazzy? Yeah, you guys are good. You share, huh? You guys share, huh? Yeah. Was it too hot for you guys? Too hot for you guys to play? It is warm today, though. It is like 88, 90. See kitties, Jazzy? See kitties in the catio? No? Jazzy looking at the kitties? Hey, you looking at, see the kitties? Come here. See the pretty kitty. See the pretty kitty. Yeah, where is she? There she is. He, Sammy, or whoever that is. So, I know it's a pretty kitty, huh, Jazzy? You're gentle with the kitties, huh? Hi, kitty, 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 kitty. Look at all this built. This is awesome. All for cats. What are you doing, Hudson? Where's Jazzy? Where's she go? Go get her. Go get her. Get him, Jazz. Get him, Jazzy. Get him, Jazzy. Yeah, you tell him, Jazz. You tell him. More water?